Good morning. It's Saturday, and I have the pleasure of going to see my son play on a 7-on-7 football scrimmage today, which I'm super excited about. But you're not here for that. You're not. And I understand that. And I know I got 10 seconds, and it's already 14. So hang on. I'm asking for help, and I'm asking help from you, the people who are not subscribers to my channel. And in return for subscribing to my channel, I sincerely want you to subscribe. Like, I don't want to manufacture subscribers for the sake of manufacturing, because that does nobody any good. But if you're here because you have questions about the yard card sign celebration business, or about printing, or about, making yard letters, or anything related to anything that you've seen with regards to yard card celebrations, please subscribe to my channel. And in return, I'll do this for you. I will answer one question that you have about the business. One question. So really think hard about what your question is. And if you email it to me at Renick at signfairies.net, I will answer it as best as I can. I'll either tell you I don't know and I'll have to get back to you, or I'll make a concerted effort. If you could do that, that would be great. I'm willing to make that commitment if you are. The other thing too is, if you have a lot of questions and you don't know where you could go to ask those questions, consider joining our private Facebook group. I'll put the link in the description below. Make sure you answer the 3 screener questions. All right, that's all I'm going to say. If you don't answer the 3 screener questions, you're not going to get in. That's just how it works. Okay? Those 3 screener questions are very important to me, and you have to answer yes to all of them in order to get accepted. And you answer those, you're in. Okay? But I'm asking for your help. This is the first time I've done it. But I want this to grow. I want this to be big. And I want you to be a part of it. And if I can help answer any questions for you, then I want to do it. So subscribe to my channel and send me a question. Renick at signfairies.net, and I'll answer it. I promise. Scout's honor. I will. If you don't believe me, try it. I'll show you. Okay? That's it. And I just want you to have a great weekend. Tomorrow's football, professional football on Sunday, which is great, and I'm super excited. And that's all I got for you. Smash the day in half. I want you to smash it in half. Okay? That's it.